Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating question posed to MIT's Ask an Engineer. Why haven't commercial airliners gotten faster since the 1960s? It's a great question, right?
Absolutely. Everything else seems to be speeding up, so why not airplanes? I'm expecting some mind-blowing technological limitations, maybe some insurmountable physics problem.
Well, it's not quite that dramatic, but it's definitely interesting. The main reason boils down to fuel efficiency. Professor Mark Drila from MIT's Aeronautics and Astronautics Department points out that higher speeds mean significantly more fuel consumption per passenger mile.
Oh, I see. So it's not a matter of can we go faster, but should we, considering the cost?
Exactly. Think about those massive engines on modern jets, those high bypass turbofans. They're huge, right? They move a lot of air at lower speeds, maximizing efficiency. Older engines, like those on the Boeing 707, were smaller and moved less air at higher speeds, but they were far less fuel efficient.
So the trade-off is speed versus fuel efficiency, and fuel efficiency wins in the long run for commercial flights?
Precisely. And there's another factor: wing design. Slower planes can have less wing sweep, making them smaller, lighter, and cheaper to build. The 707's wing sweep was 35 degrees, while the 777's is only 31.6 degrees.
That's a pretty significant difference. So what about the Concorde? That thing was supersonic.
Ah, yes, the Concorde. A fascinating exception. But it operated in a very niche market and faced significant limitations. The sonic boom it generated was a major problem, leading to flight bans over land in many countries.
Right, the noise pollution. That makes sense. So is there any hope for faster commercial flights in the future?
There's some hope on the horizon, but it's mostly focused on supersonic business jets. Smaller size and innovative boom-shaping designs might mitigate the noise issue, and for private jets, the higher fuel consumption per passenger mile is less of a concern.
Interesting. So it's a matter of economics and noise pollution, not some fundamental technological barrier. I guess we'll just have to enjoy the current speeds, and maybe bring a good book for those long flights.
Yeah, exactly. For now, it seems the high bypass engine reigns supreme. But who knows what the future holds? Maybe some breakthroughs in materials science or propulsion systems will change things. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of aviation engineering. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.